Hello there, welcome to our video. Before I start, a request to you to watch the video until last. Many of you have been dreaming to become good YouTuber, blogger or even video editor. Then you can't say no to editing, but are you still thinking for a good PC or laptop to create video? Then leave this thought, because you can edit perfectly on smartphone only. And for this, you will need just 3 things. First, app name Kinemaster. Second, lots of creativity. And third, subscription to my channel. So, let's begin. Kinemaster download link is in the description. So as you opened it, such buttons will be displayed. This button is for Kinemaster Asset Store. Kinemaster Asset Store offers you some more assets. Don't worry, the given assets are sufficient for beginners. This icon opens YouTube tutorials of Kinemaster. Warning, don't open this. Just follow my channel. Okay? These next are for premium membership, settings, help, creating project with name and for updates. But actually the most useful icon is this one. This will create new project. Choose the ratio, 16:9 is most widely used. 9:16 for statuses and prefer 1:1 for thumbnail making. I will select 16:9. Okay, this is the main window. I will just explain it one by one. This is for back, this is undo button and this is redo. This is for capturing screenshot. Again, this is settings, this is useful when added many layers. This is for going to end or to go at start of project. Don't worry. Thus all buttons will be cleared when you will use them. Now let's have a look at right side. This is the most useful view. Here, media is used to add any image or video as a background. When you click on media, this background gives you plain colors and some built-in backgrounds to use. Then it will show you your photos. Now this is the timeline. Closely think what exactly is in video? Back-to-back photos. So here you can add back-to-back photos or videos to create and edit your long video. If the duration of any photo or video is X seconds, then it will appear on screen for X seconds duration. I hope you got the concept of this timeline. Any doubts, then please mention in comments. Moving on, this is audio. You can simply choose any song and add it to the video. This voice is similar to audio, but you can record your audio. To record, just click here. Then stop when you are done. Easy, isn't it? When you will click in this icon, you will get 2 options. Namely, camera and cam recorder. Camera will capture photos and cam recorder will record videos. Now, the last, but not the least. Layer button. Let me clear that the layer is just like the layer we add on cake. The media is base and layer is on its decoration. My mouth just get watered by the name of cake. Yummy. Anyway, I think you are clear with layers concept. So let's proceed. The first one is media. It could be image if you haven't paid subscription to Kinemaster, which needs real money. So this way, you can add image or video as layer.
Adding media as layer gives you extra editing options and also to display more than one media on screen at once.
Effect is just cool effect or close to VFX. Below that the overlay gives you option to add some good stickers. Next is text, where you can simply add and edit text. Last is handwriting, where you can add words. With your hand, of course. There are 3 more buttons around the wheel. This is to export the video. In simple words, to save the video and share it. To export, just select the quality in pixels, then FPS rate and move the dragger to adjust quality. Note that higher quality means higher video size. Thus for Asset Store, and this is play or pause button. That's it. These are almost all main buttons of Kinemaster. Hope you got the function of each button. We are going to upload more parts of these tutorials. If you are watching the video after many days, then the next parts are here. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for such an amazing content. Thanks for watching.